There is a lot of panic about corona. Let me tell you by my experience that this is here to stay. So for me, it was on around 5th of May that I got a little fever, which was around 99 to 100. It was accompanied by a little sore throat. This lasted for about a couple of days. I was talking to my doctors. The doctors said that it was nothing, it was just a viral. However, on around 10th of May, I was again, I had symptoms of a little fever, which was again 99.5 to 100.5. This time there was a little cold, which lasted for about 2 days. And on around 13th, I believe I lost my sense of taste and smell. Now, on around 14th of May, so effectively about 9 days into the on and off fever, my son, who's just 14 months old, he woke up with a little fever, and that's why I got paranoid. I spoke to my doctor. I forced him that, okay, I need to get myself tested now. One good thing that I did possibly was to isolate myself on around 5th of May itself. So anyways, on 14th I was given the prescription. On 15th I went to testing facility. On 16th I received my report, which was positive. But by 16th my fever had gone. So the only symptom that I had was loss of taste and smell, which eventually came back on around 19th or 20th, which means it was gone for about a week or so. 17 days is what they say is what you need to be isolated for. Don't panic. I panicked. I had a lot of anxiety attacks. I was in my room. I was for 3 nights. I couldn't sleep. I was up till 4 o'clock in the morning. Just keep yourself occupied. Be positive. What is the information which is available in the public domain with respect to, one, what is it that a person is supposed to do? Two, do you need hospitalization? Three, is there a hospital available close to where you stay? Are there beds available there? Is there any isolation center available close to where you are? There is a petition on change.org which I would like all of you to please sign, wherein what they're asking for is a centralized database of all the hospitals, isolation centers to be available on a common platform. This information, if is made available, then anybody at a convenience of a click can come to know that in case you require medical help, where is it that you must go? Because today the situation is such that you don't know whether if I go to a hospital which is 3 kilometers from my place, they will have a bed there or no. So this is something that is very important. I am personally requesting you to please sign this petition. In the end, let me reiterate something which I already said. Though this virus should not stop our lives, but we must not take it lightly, and let's try to beat it.